Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how you can request for new features on Cypherock X1 and check out the collaborative roadmap. So follow along. Open the website which you see on the screen. Sign up using your email address, name and password. Now verify using the OTP received on your email. On the dashboard, you can see a roadmap. Here you can see all the features which are under review, planned and in progress. If you want to request a feature, you can click on the feature request under the board section. You will be redirected to this page and here you can write a short title, a description and the category of your request. Try to be precise about the feature request you are adding here so that the other community members can understand and upvote accordingly. Click on create post and your feature request has been posted successfully. Under the feedback section, you will see other feature requests which has been made by other Cypherock X1 users. Under the changelog section, you can see all the different versions of the SciSync app and the X1 device firmware which has been released, including the latest one and all the changes which comes with the update. You can also comment on a specific feature request and also upvote the ones which you also wish to have. To do this, go to the feedback section and click on the feature request. Now you can write a comment asking any questions related to the specific feature. You can upvote using the up arrow on the post. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how you can request for new features on the Cypherock X1. Well done.